Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to scan any type of QR code or barcode without any camera APIs. Like we won't be using camera X or camera 2, and we won't be even requesting for the camera permission, and still we will be opening the camera and scanning the QR code or barcode. Only caveat being this thing will only work on Android. So yeah, and we will be using an mlkit library for it. So just with few lines of code you can scan any type of QR code and barcode, and you don't have to worry about it using any unmaintained deprecated third-party libraries for this. So Google has made this pretty simple for us. So I will just show you a demo. So yeah, for this demo is for a Flutter app, but same thing applies for React Native as well. So I will just click on a scan button, and it opens a camera and scans the QR code and gives you the output. So yeah, that's it. The other important thing for you to notice is that you have to search for Google Play services in Google Play Store and update to the latest version of Google Play services. Now the latest minimum version of Google Play services which is required is 23.16.13. so you should have this, otherwise this will not work on your side. Okay, now let's get started. So for enabling the new architecture for your Android app, just search for new arc enabled inside Android Gradle.properties and make this as true. I have already done that, and I have already explained many a times about this, so I won't go much in details, and we will be using a turbo native module for this. So I have created an RTN MyScan. Inside that, created an Android folder, created a build.gradle. Again I have copy pasted this from the docs. Only thing change is this apply plugin Kotlin Android as well as Kotlin standard lib I have added, and we have to add these two dependencies. So this will help us with the scanning. So the first is an mlkit dependency which will help us with the scanning. Second is to check whether this this dependency will be downloaded from Play services. So this is to check the Google Play services based checks whether a code scanner is already present in our mobile app or not. If not, it downloads it and then we can use it. And this package name has been changed. Next we create myscan module.kt. so this is where the entire thing is. So here you can see that first I have just copy pasted everything from docs. Next we have creating this option, so I am trying to recognize all types of barcode and QR code. Next we have defined module install client as well as a scanner, and this is mandatory overridden method. Here we are defining a promise, and okay, I think I forgot one thing. So this should be scan promise equal to promise. Okay, then we are defining a scanner. I was editing this in Android Studio, and I have edited that in Android Studio but forgot to edit in VS Code. The reason that it did not get reflected because in Android Studio once you edit a turbo module, it is actually code gen. That's why it doesn't get reflected. Okay, then you have to define a scanner. Then this is a module install client. Then we are checking if the module install client modules are available or not. If it is available, then start the scan, otherwise install the module. Same for failure listener as well. And here we are building the module and installing it. If module is already installed, then start a scan, otherwise in failure listener we are installing the scanner again. And this is the logic for starting the scan, and once a barcode is detected we are just sending the data back to React Native side. Okay, so that's it. And in my scan package, this is copied from docs, only the naming has been changed at appropriate lines. So yeah, that's it. Next, inside JS I have defined this file, and here we are calling a scan method. Again copy pasted from docs, only method name has been changed and this name has been changed. And package.json, again copy pasted it from docs, only this name has been changed, this has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Next, inside podspec file, I don't think we require podspec because this is only for iOS, but I have just created it and copy pasted from docs, only this has been changed. Next, what you have to do is go to your Android manifest.xml. you have to add this internet permission as well as you have to add this metadata as well. Next, inside build.gradle you have to add apply plugin Kotlin Android, as well as you have to add this implementation of Kotlin standard lib. Next, inside this build.gradle you have to add Kotlin version over here, as well as you have to add this class path over here as well. Okay, once everything is done, you have to run this command of yarn add. Okay, so you have to run yarn add, then a single dot, not double dot, single dot slash this rtn myscan. Okay, once that is done, all you have to do is cd android and run this command. So this will do code generation for your android module as well. So once that is done, okay, so you should see in node modules all the code which has been generated, and inside app.tsx, here is how you will use it. Define rtn scan, and inside touchable opacity, I'm just calling the scan method, and it will give you whatever has been scanned. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.